Hello and welcome to this new video on how to get a script from TikTok videos. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the source bar of your taskbar. Just click on the source bar and type for TikTok and press enter in the keyboard and the TikTok will be opened. So first thing you need to do to get a transcript is you need to convert your account into an business account. In order to do that, you just need to go to the top right corner. There is a circular icon and there is a setting in the pop-up box. Just click on the settings, and when you are inside the settings, you just have to scroll down a little bit and here is a business account section. You just need to activate or enable this section. After that, you just need to go to the home page, and when you have activated your business account, then you just have to select a video which script you want, and after that you just have to save the video. And when you have saved the video, you have to just view the video, and since you have a business account, they will show you an AI transcript. So this is how you can get script from TikTok video. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.